This is a tutorial to add to the previous bulk create video to show you how to add images to a bulk create design. So the first thing, of course, you do is you create your project design for however you want it to appear. Because this is part 2, I'm just going to add the important piece. So you're going to come over here to elements, you'll search the word frame, and then you can choose one of the frames from the gallery. This is sort of like the holding place for the photos that you're going to add. So you can place this onto your project, line it up however you'd like it to look, and then when you're ready, you would start to add in the bulk create feature. So we come over here to the left, we scroll down to apps, we can search then for bulk create, and we are going to enter our data manually. Now, the trick about this is that you have to have all of the images that you want to put into your bulk create design already uploaded to Canva. And so to do that, you're going to come over here, instead of starting with bulk create, you're going to come over here to uploads, and then you can just click on upload files, and you can upload as many images as you want into your gallery for your project. So we'll go back over here to enter data manually. And in this first column, we're going to click on add image. We'll delete the first column because we don't need that for this case. And so we've got image here, and I'm just going to come over here and click on the plus. Now you'll be able to access your entire media gallery. So I'm just going to use the folder that I want to for this purpose. And you just go ahead and click on the plus. Keep adding the images until you have as many as you want. So when you have all the images you want, you're going to click on done. Now our data field is still not connected, so you're going to make sure the purple box is around your frame. Click on the 3 dots, and you're going to come down here to connect data. Because we only have one field, we'll click on image, and now these two are connected. So when you click continue, you'll see then we have all of the images that I've added. So I'm just going to click on continue, and then you would click create 8 designs. And it's loading here. You can see that on the bottom left-hand side. It will load into a new tab, and so you would click on View Design, and then you'd be able to see all of those pages. So you can see here how my design has gone ahead and generated 8 of those bulk create features. Now you can come into each individual slide, and you can edit them if you feel like you need to crop the image to be more into the frame. That might be an extra step that you need to take, but that is something that's open to you. So when you're done, then you're just going to click on this thumbnail view, take a screenshot, show us your bulk create, and you're done.